think, should I cross it? It's 30 degrees, and I don't have hiking poles. What do you think?